You see, to become a successful leader through karma, it is performance alone is not enough, isn't it? What is more important than IQ? Tell me. EQ is more important? Is it a conviction ना या हम बोल रहे हैं इसलिए आप हाँ कर रहे हो? Is it true or not? Behavior is important or no? Huh? Even when you go to a job interview, they are going to look at you first. Then what you know and what you can do or you cannot do. What you radiate, the confidence that you have, the purposefulness in your eyes, that is all the more important. And your general behavior, the way you talk, the way you walk. So behavior and character are related. What is behavior is actually your reactions to any given environment. The reactions on the physical, mental plane, the reaction of your will, the reactions of your emotions. You know, this is what behavioral psychology studies. So your behavior at any given point of time is very important for success in life. And that is why EQ, SQ सब कुछ important हो जाता है. Your emotional quotient, सुना होगा आपने? If you are saying one thing but you don't mean it, you don't think you will be successful. If you are not saying something but just radiating it, but then you can still be successful. Communication skills alone are not enough. You must mean what you say. You must do what you believe in. That is when your team will follow you. So यही बात है. Now regarding this behavior, how it is created also, you must know the deep level psychology of it. If once you know it, then you modulate your behavior according to your requirements, isn't it? In the work space you need a particular behavior. With your colleagues you need a particular behavior. With your family you need a particular behavior. You will know what to do in every instance. You see, behavior also is nothing but interconnected sanskars bundled into what are called complexes. Complexes आपने सुना होगा psychology में? They result in definite traits of character, which is called स्वभाव, behavior. यही आपका स्वभाव है. You get it? Your sanskars जो आपने action के द्वारा create किया अपने मन में, they get bundled into or interconnected into a network of complexes, and these are responsible for your traits of behavior. Traits का मतलब है एक tendency. इसी को स्वभाव कहते हैं. And this यही प्रकाश इसी का प्रकाश होता है whenever you are interacting with any particular environment. So you see, if your sanskar backpack is very solid, very good, you can be sure your behavior will be very good. है ना? उसका source है संस्कारों में. पता चल रहा है आपको? Just polishing the outside is not enough. Behavior is not polishing the outside. Behavior is showing who you truly are.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.